Shanghai Port, the largest seaport in the world, is located at the intersection of the east-west transportation channel of the Yangtze River and the north-south transportation channel on the sea. It is a major hub port along the coast of China. In the just past 2020, the throughput of 36.53 million TEUs ranked first in the global seaport throughput. For a large port like Shanghai Port, the protection of fenders is extremely important. We, Nanjing Deers, are very proud that our cone fenders and cell fenders have been used to protect such an important port. As shown in the video, our fenders are installed on the pier. So far, these fenders are still be used well at the site and play an important role in the transportation service of Shanghai Port.